Things You Never Knew About Dinosaurs by Giles Paley Phillips. Illustrated by Liz Peachon. Did you know that dinosaurs are still around today? They didn't die off long ago. They never went away. On every street, in every town, maybe next door to you, dinosaurs are doing things you won't believe are true. Dinosaurs play tennis. They ride around on bikes. They like to bounce on trampolines and go for hilltop hikes. Dinosaurs love to play guitar, to stomp their feet and sing. They love to waltz and cha-cha-cha and do the Highland fling. There are some things they don't like much. Things they really hate. Dinosaurs don't like doing math. 1 + 4 = 7. 4 + 1 = 6. 4 + 1 = 7. Grrr. Or always having to wait. Hurry up! You'll never see them brush their teeth or clean their dirty plates. And when they should be fast asleep, they're whizzing around on skates. Some dinosaurs go up in space to see the moon and Mars. Others go to Hollywood and become big movie stars. Dinosaurs sail the 7 seas. They trek from pole to pole. And in the World Cup final, one scored the winning goal. Go pterodactyl! Yes, dinosaurs do amazing things. It's all completely true. But most of all, their favorite thing is eating kids like you. The end.